Welcome to the world of QuickBooks Online customization. This guide is for small business owners. This guide is for students. It is for anyone who wants to make QBO work better for them. We will use plain words and clear steps. Many users fight their software and try to fit their business into defaults. Instead, make the software fit your business. QuickBooks Online can match how your business truly works. You can change how it looks, how it stores data, and how it behaves. You can even control who sees what information. Customization spans visual, data, behavior, and access. It is not about rewriting code, it is about using built-in settings. Feature availability varies by subscription, so confirm what your edition includes. The gear icon is the hub for company-wide behavior. Go to Account and Settings, Lists for items and fields, plus New to Customize forms, Reports to customize and save, and Banking for rules. Master these areas first. Your brand is your business's identity, reflected on invoices, estimates, and receipts. Add your logo and select matching colors and fonts. Choose modern layouts. Keep forms branded, professional, and readable. Toggle columns and tailor for audience, customer versus internal. Add payment instructions and terms on the form. Create multiple styles and set a default. Customize email subject and body for invoices, estimates, and statements. Use merge-friendly phrasing to pull key details automatically. Auto-attach PDFs and include a payment link if using QuickBooks Payments. Make payment one click to improve cash flow. Capture business-specific data with custom fields. Keep names short and unambiguous. Prefer drop-downs to enforce data quality and consistent reporting. Decide where fields appear and whether customers can see them. Use classes for segments, locations for sites or entities, and tags for ad hoc analysis. Set rules to keep lists clean. Set each item's type, service, non-inventory, or inventory. Link items to the right income and COGS accounts. Use SKUs, categories, and default prices to save time. Enable price rules where your edition supports it. Tailor the COA, enable account numbers, and use sub-accounts for structure. Choose accurate detail types and keep the chart lean. Create recurring templates for frequent transactions. Use scheduled, reminder, or unscheduled as needed. Pre-fill terms, classes, and descriptions for consistency. Build bank rules by payee, amount, or bank text to auto-categorize. Define category, class, location, and memoir per rule. Test with recent items and order rules from specific to general. In higher tiers, use workflows for reminders and approvals. Start with a few high-value flows, then iterate. Add users by function, and grant only needed access. External accountants often need reports-only access. Review access quarterly, and enforce MFA. Ready to customize QBO? Like and subscribe and grab the checklist, link below.